enjoying the moment, relaxing after the day, at the end of the day, early evening, just releasing energies, winding down, breathe in fresh air, enjoying the breeze. Look around, and beautiful trees, beautiful palm trees everywhere, and the mountains, gorgeous, beautiful, and the sky, wow, and the sky appears like this. It's beautiful, I love it. Thank you so much. It is a blessing to all of us. And there is a big storm coming to us soon. In a few days,